I feel like every time I need to go and clean the car, I'm going through the garage, going through the shed and not finding anything. Check this little pack. This here is a kind of a little suitcase that has it all. This is your starter car cleaning pack. I'm gonna open it up and you're gonna see me using these products. You've got a small microfiber towel, a larger one as well. So those two towels, that's great. But then I thought that was it. But look at everything that comes with it. Okay, you've got a nice kind of like a glove chamois to clean that car, the exterior. But let's look at the interior now. You've got these really, if you've never used these, you are truly, truly missing out. This stuff is fantastic. To go inside the cup holder, through those vents, you can really clean in depth your car with these brushes. You've got different sizes, the two big ones, medium, and the small one for those small crevices. That's insane, I love it. And then for the harder things to reach and also to clean, I'm gonna show that to you right now. This is great as well. You've got different bristles, you've got metallic, copper, and you've got that plastic. This is great if you're going around the rubber inside or outside of that car. Fantastic as well. Can't believe I'm still haven't even scratched the surface yet. You've got sponges. Oh, those are really cool sponges actually. Oh, this is kind of like almost like a buffing sponge. I could clean the headlights with this. I could probably clean also the tire rubber with this. That's really, really cool. And we're not done. We're still not done. Oh yes, I'm sure you guys have seen the viral videos on this. The magic cleaner. I gotta show it to you. This is, yep, this is the goo that you literally will drop into those vents or really hard to reach creases, and then you literally take it out and it grabs all of that dust, all of those particles, and sticks onto that and obviously cleans your car. I think that's fantastic. Doesn't have a smell to it, which I'm surprised. All right, cool, cool, cool. Next, that is the brush for the tires. So this brush right here, you literally, a little bit of soap, a little bit of water, you can literally, those rims will get super, super shiny with this. Very, very cool. And a really nice handle as well, super grippy. I like that as well. Still not done, guys. I mean, holy moly. Let's go over here. What is this? So I'm assuming this opens up. Really cool. So I could actually do like windows, like windshield, and all of the windows around the car with this. Really, really soft chamois. They give you another one here, microfiber, kind of like sham. Really nice that it is a telescopic arm, so you can actually do it on those harder to reach places. Love that, definitely. And this is something I may or may not use, but it's nice to have if you've got a special solution that you use to clean any type of thing in your car. You might want to have that. So that's an empty bottle, spray bottle at that. So that's cool. And then they did not stop there. I can't believe all of this fit into this suitcase or this little bag. That's pretty cool. Now we've got the vacuum, the car vacuum, and I'm expecting it to have a lot of, yes, a lot of attachments, because we know that the car is not just your carpets, but you have those crevices between the seats, in the trunk, it's all over the place. You've got a nice little extension. That's fantastic. It is pluggable via the 12 volt of your car, which I think is great because yes, this is a whole car. It comes with a little bag as well. So of course this is a whole car setup, so you would expect it to be able to be pluggable to the car. So I love that. I think this one is a 6000 PA, which is fantastic. You've got a nice little, I'm assuming I'm gonna be able to take that out like this. There we go. And clean that canister and that filter right here. Really nice and practical because it is super light. You've got just one single button to turn it on and to turn it off, and away you go. So yeah, VCAN, all of this. Honestly, the only problem I have is now trying to fit everything back into that because it is a huge, huge set. I love it. This is cool.